Apply Seal 6 to the inside of the polycarbonate roof one, directly in front of the frontmost mounting locations. Locate the 9 clamp locations on the underside of the polycarbonate roof one. Install a clamp 4 to the polycarbonate roof, one using a pan head screw 2 and a washer 3. Repeat the process for the 8 remaining clamp locations. For ease of installation, lubricate the damper 5 with soapy water. Push down on the damper and twist until the lower portion fully protrudes through the gusset. Install 2 dampers 5 on the driver's side and ensure the 4 dampers 5 are installed in the locations shown. Install 2 dampers 5 into the 2 gussets found on the passenger side of the middle horizontal ROPS rollover protection system tube. Place the KQR polycarbonate roof onto the top of the vehicle's ROPS as shown. Fasten the clamps 4 around the pillars to secure the KQR polycarbonate roof to the vehicle's ROPS. Enjoy your Kawasaki genuine accessory.